Elected to go and fill your pockets. You've been elected to go and create opportunities for everybody. The poor, the rich, the strong, the meek, the tall, the short. Is an opportunity you've been granted to create equal opportunity for all. That is not what Honorable Monda did. He chose to create opportunity for his friends and the children of his friends, and to favor his friends at the expense of them that have now voice in the society. And as such, it's a lesson that will remain in our annals of history, that the Constitution is so clear that integrity is everything, and that it all begins with integrity and ends with integrity. We are so happy with the Senate. We are so happy for what the Senate has done, and it's a statement going out there that we cannot afford to create two parallel systems. If we are saying there is equality, there must be equality for all. That is the creed for which we stand for. Thank you.
The Senate has done is to make a vote under Article 181 of the Constitution to affirm the impeachment of the deputy governor of Kisii County. So the implication is that from midnight tonight he ceases to hold office, and all the four charges that were facing him were affirmed by the Senate. So that has been our decision this evening. Kuweka nege pengere 181 ya katiba ya Kenya, na iwe minute ngawana kwansira lero mo deputy governor wa county ya Kisii, Dr. Robert Monda, tarigo chikogendera ko mo deputy governor wa county ya Kisii amagosa aliabekeire ane onsi na nyara wancheranwa ne Senate ya Kenya, abo akire chikora na wancherana na amagosa aliane onsi pi arete tu ese Senate.